Hi children, the next problem is show that square root of 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a is equals to secant a plus tan a. So in exercise 11.4 third problem this one. So the main formula we will use here, first identity, sin square a plus cos square a is equals to 1. So if we send plus cos square a to RHS sign, means it will become minus cos square a. So it gives sin square a is equals to 1 minus cos square a. So this formula we will use in this problem. So show that means first we will consider the LHS and we will prove RHS. So consider LHS. So the LHS is square root of 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a. So here you have to rationalize the denominator. Rationalizing factor of, so here denominator is 1 minus sin a. So rationalizing factor of 1 minus sin a is 1 plus sin a. So with 1 plus sin a rationalize. So square root of 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a into 1 plus sin a by 1 plus sin a. Now multiply numerator into numerator by denominator into denominator. So square root of 1 plus sin a into 1 minus sin a by 1 minus sin a into 1 plus sin a. So square root of 1 plus sin a into 1 plus sin a can be written as 1 plus sin a whole square. So here if you observe 1 minus sin a, 1 plus sin a. So in algebra we have one formula, a minus b into a plus b is equals to a square minus b square. So a minus b into a plus b. A square means 1 square minus b square means sin a whole square. So square root of 1 plus sin a whole square by 1 square means 1 minus sin a whole square means sin square a. So square root of 1 plus sin a whole square by, so as I said in the formula, 1 minus cos square a gives sin square a. Similarly, here you can write cos square a is equals to 1 minus sin square a. If you send plus sin square to RHS means it will become minus sin square a. Means cos square a is equals to 1 minus sin square a. Now here denominator 1 minus sin square a is there. So you can write cos square a. So write cos square a. So in numerator having square, denominator also having square. So write as common square. So 1 plus sin a by cos a whole square. So you can cancel square and root. So it gives 1 plus sin a by cos a. Now split the denominator with the numerator terms. It gives 1 by cos a plus sin a by cos a. 1 by cos a means secant a plus sin a by cos a gives tan a. So what we have, which is equals to RHS. So LHS equals to RHS. And finally write therefore square root of 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a is equals to secant a plus tan a. So when they ask to prove that, consider LHS and prove RHS. So problem is completed. Keep the solution in a box. Just hold it. So the problem is completed. Similarly, same like this problem you have in example problem. Example 15. Same model. See, prove that square root of 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta is equals to cosecant theta plus cos theta. So same like previous problem, here also you have to rationalize the denominator. So first look at the formula, main formula we will use here. So sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. If you send plus cos square theta to RHS means you will get minus cos square theta. So sin square theta is equals to 1 minus cos square theta. So this formula we will use in the middle of the problem. So here we have to prove that. So first consider LHS. So consider LHS. Square root of 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta. So here we have to rationalize the denominator. Denominator is 1 minus cos theta. What is the rationalizing factor for 1 minus cos theta? Rationalizing factor of 1 minus cos theta is 1 plus cos theta. So now rationalize square root of 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta, rationalizing, multiplying, divide. 1 plus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. So numerator into numerator by denominator into denominator, multiply. 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. So once observe 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta can written as 1 plus cos theta whole square. Just like a into a square. In the same way 1 plus cos theta whole square. In denominator 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. It is in the form a minus b into a plus b, which gives a square minus b square. So write 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta as 1 square minus cos theta whole square, means a square minus b square form. So square root of 1 plus cos theta whole square by 1 square means 1. Cos theta whole square means nothing but cos square theta. Square root of 1 plus cos theta whole square by 1 minus cos square theta means in starting we discussed about formulas. No, 1 minus cos square theta means you can written as sin square theta. So 1 minus cos square theta means write as sin square theta. So both numerator and denominator having squares. So write as common. So 1 plus cos theta by sin theta whole square. Now square root will cancel. So 1 plus cos theta by sin theta. Now separate the denominator with the numerator terms. 1 by sin theta plus cos theta by sin theta. Here 1 by sin theta means secant theta plus cos theta by sin theta means cot theta. So cosecant theta plus cot theta, which is RHS. So LHS we considered and we proved RHS. So write in conclusion square root of 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta is equals to cosecant theta plus cot theta. So place in, keep in the box. So problem is completed. So thank you children.